Hello, active viewers. Welcome to the Techful Things YouTube channel. Are you looking to enhance your WhatsApp experience for better readability? Whether you need a larger font for easier reading or a smaller font to fit more messages on the screen, adjusting the font size is simple and quick. To get started, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner to access the menu. Then select Settings from the drop-down. Next, go to the Chats section within the Settings menu. In the Chats menu, you'll find an option for font size. Tap on it and you'll see three options: small, medium, and large. By default, it's usually set to medium. Choose the size that works best for you. Select small if you want more text on the screen, or large for easier readability. Your selected font size will apply immediately without needing further confirmation. And that's it! Your WhatsApp font size is now customized to suit your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tips.